Hello students, yesterday we have finished partial speech, but one part, interjection, was not described by myself. Today before starting this topic sentence, I want to draw a short picture before you about interjection. इंटरजेक्शन जिसको हम हिंदी में विस्मयाद बोधक काव्य कहते हैं. इंटरजेक्शन expresses internal feeling of mankind like sorrow, happiness, exclamation, etc. No evidence is given in this topic. So, in short, interjection विस्मयाद बोधक काव्य जिसे हम खुशी, गम या कोई भी आंतरिक भावनाओं को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. ओह, रे, सॉरी, ब्रेव हो, etc. All these are interject our ideas before the audience or before the mankind is called interjection. Now today I am going to start sentence. It is defined as sentence is the combination of meaningful words that expresses the ideas of the speaker. Meaningful words combine each other to construct a sentence, and it deducts an idea is called sentence. अर्थपूर्ण शब्दों को एक साथ जोड़ करके और जो आप अपनी बात को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उसे सेंटेंस कहते हैं. इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 parts as assertive sentence. assertive sentence को हिंदी में हम विधि सूचक वाक्य कहते हैं. It is assert 2 parts, affirmative and negative. स्वीकारात्मक और नकारात्मक ये दोनों भागों को जोड़कर assertive sentence बनता है. So it is called assertive sentence. विधि सूचक वाक्य, इसमें विधि दी गई है. In this, affirmative means I go to school. Negative means I do not go to school. You can show affirmation and adding not, you can show negation in the sentence. Second part is interrogative sentence. प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. It interrogates the sentence. It is also divided into 2 parts. What type interrogative and who type, WHO type interrogative. The sentence in which word, Hindi word क्या is given in the starting of the sentence, that is called what type interrogative, or yes or no answer type interrogative. इसको yes or no answer type interrogative भी कहते हैं. Second part is who type interrogative. The sentence in which question words, any question word is given in the midst of the sentence, that is called who type interrogative. जिस वाक्य में कोई भी प्रश्नवाचक शब्द वाक्य के बीच में दिया जाता है उसे हम who type interrogative कहते हैं. Third part is imperative sentence. To imperate the sentence is called imperative sentence. इसको कहते हैं हिंदी में आदेश या आज्ञा सूचक वाक्य. The construction of imperative sentence I will discuss further In detail, it will be discussed by myself in the chapter tense. Now here, only it is necessary to know about the construction of this sentence. Only first form of main verb and subject is given. Imperative sentence means with first form of main verb, object is given, subject is understood, unknown, gone in this sentence. It is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence में वाक्य में कर्ता लुप्त रहता है, मुख्य क्रिया का प्रथम भाग और ऑब्जेक्ट देकर इसको बनाया जाता है. फर्दर डिटेल विल बी गिवन बाय माई सेल्फ. नाउ द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. ऑप्टेट करता है, इसको प्रार्थना या आशीर्वाद सूचक वाक्य कहते हैं. सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विथ वर्ड मे, MAY, मे, एज मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. इट इज ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस को विस्मय बोधक वाक्य कहते हैं. इट exclaims the expression of the sentence, explains the topic as all of a sudden if you see something and exclamation from your mouth express oh, it is called exclamatory sentence. And last is emphatic sentence. emphatic sentence मतलब होता है दबाव या प्रभाव सूचक वाक्य. In the sentence, pressure is given by adding self in any pronoun is called emphatic sentence, as myself, yourself, themself, himself, herself. It is the sentence emphasize the sentence by pressure is called emphatic sentence. इसे दबाव या प्रभाव सूचक वाक्य कहते हैं. नाउ वन बाय वन all the parts will be discussed further in detail. What is assertive sentence? What is the construction of assertive sentence? How it is divided into two parts, affirmative and negative? It will be discussed further. Next, interrogative sentence. What is construction of this sentence in sense of discussion? Then imperative sentence, optative sentence, exclamatory sentence and emphatic sentence. All the parts will be discussed further. Today only I want to make you aware of all the parts of sentence. It is very lengthy chapter. Discussion will be prolonged for some days, and now today a sort of instruction has already been given by myself for your knowledge. Next, one by one whole of the parts will be discussed widely in wide range. So please like and subscribe this video. Tomorrow we shall discuss on this chapter in detail. Thank you very much.